Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over how to make this marshmallow fondant. We're going to start off by spraying our spatula with Pam, and you can also spray your container that you're going to melt the marshmallows in. I used 2 bags of mini marshmallows from the Walmart brand, and I started with 30 seconds in the microwave. I did add about 1/4 cup of water, and right here I'm just mixing it before putting it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 30 seconds, and I'm mixing again with my spatula. And after mixing it, this is what it looks like. We're gonna put it in the microwave for another about 20 seconds, making sure that everything is melted. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding my melted marshmallow into a stand mixer. Right here I added some vegetable shortening, and we're gonna be using the paddle attachment. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding my sugar. I think I added about 1 bag of sugar. You kind of just have to tell because I'm honestly eyeballing everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding some more shortening. Honestly, it really scares me to be doing this on my stand mixer because, as you guys can see, like, I feel like it's way too strong for the stand mixer. So just be careful. Right here I'm just gonna be finishing off my fondant by hand, and I'm just mixing the sugar in and making sure that I get rid of any lumps. So I need that very carefully until it's not sticky anymore. Make sure that you do add shortening to your hands or your gloves if you're gonna be needing it, because it does get very sticky. And you just continue kneading it and continue adding sugar until it's not sticky anymore. So right here I can tell that it's getting less sticky. It's still warm, so it doesn't hold its shape. So we're gonna let it set in an airtight container or in a Ziploc bag. Okay, so right here I was ready to use it. Sometimes it does get too hard, so I do pop it in the microwave for a little bit, and I start kneading it again. You can use any colors. Right here I'm using gel. And stay tuned because I'm gonna be uploading a tutorial on how I made a castle cake using this fondant. So stay tuned for that, you guys. This is a really good recipe, you guys, whenever you need a lot of fondant, because I know that fondant can get expensive, or if you just need like some last minute fondant. I really like using this. It's a good consistency and it really does hold its shape once it hardens. But if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. And if you like these tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting a lot more. So I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.